two travel insurance giants trusted by millions of globetrotters, but when it comes down to the details, which one really delivers? On one side, Seven Corners, known for its flexible, customizable plans, and on the other, Travel Guard, the longtime leader with worldwide recognition. Let's set aside the marketing claims and look at what matters most for real travelers. Each category will earn points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which provider takes the lead. The outcome might just surprise you. Alright, here's how we're gonna do this. We'll compare price, coverage options, global reach, the claims process, customer service, and finally, reputation and reviews. So grab a coffee or whatever, because there's a lot of fun stuff and a few twists coming up. Okay, first up, let's talk price. Seven Corners honestly is kinda the go-to for anyone watching their wallet. You get budget-friendly plans, and oh, you can customize your coverage, which is such a plus if you don't want to pay for stuff you'll never use. But I gotta admit, some perks do get left out at the lower tier. Now, with Travel Guard, you're looking at more comprehensive plans right from the jump, but that usually means you're paying more for stuff you might not even need. So if you want value and flexibility, Seven Corners really takes this round, no contest. Moving on to coverage options, Seven Corners gives you all the basics: emergency medical, trip cancellation, you name it. Oh, and they have these cool add-ons, like if you want to do something wild like adventure sports. That's just awesome. Downside, not as many fancy premium tier plans, but then you look at Travel Guard and this is where they kinda shine. Tons of options for all kinds of travelers, business, cruises, whatever. And they have a pretty beefy cancel for any reason policy, though be ready for an upcharge. Still, overall coverage is just broader with Travel Guard, so I'd give them the edge here. Let's chat about global reach. Seven Corners is solid. They've built a strong international network and even have multilingual support, which is kinda rare. There are some region exclusions, but overall, pretty impressive. Now take Travel Guard and ramp things up. Their assistance network is huge, seriously, one of the biggest out there. They basically cover more countries, which is a big deal if you love those off-the-map adventures. Sometimes help is slower in certain zones, but honestly you're getting more blanket coverage. Edge to Travel Guard here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that the first ever travel insurance started out as accidental death coverage for railway journeys? Like way back in the 19th century. Just goes to show how far we've come, right? Alright, claims process, everyone's favorite part, right? Okay, Seven Corners wins big here. Their online claims are super fast and they actually have a rep for paying out quickly. You do still need to gather your docs, but hey, who does? As for Travel Guard, their portal's easy to use, but you might run into some delays, especially during busy times, so just a heads up. Quick payouts. Seven Corners just edges out Travel Guard in this department. Now let's talk customer service. Seven Corners, they're US-based, they score super high on review sites, and they've got a 24/7 helpline, which, trust me, is clutch if you're like stuck in a new country at 2 a.m. Only downside, if it's really busy you might wait a bit. With Travel Guard you've got a long-established company and toll-free support, but reviews, a little all over the place. So honestly it's a tie on this one. Each has their strengths. Finally, reputation and reviews. Seven Corners definitely gets love on travel forums and is kind of a cult favorite for digital nomads, which says a lot. The only thing, they don't have that big brand name power. But Travel Guard? Oh, everyone knows them. They're backed by AIG, old school vibe, and pretty much every travel agent has them on speed dial. However, they do catch some flack for slow claims now and then. Overall, Travel Guard just has that legacy trust factor, so they take this round. So, if you line these two up on a radar chart, you'd see Seven Corners spiking in price and claim speed, while Travel Guard totally dominates in coverage, global reach, and just overall trustworthiness. Things level out with customer service, though. Here's my quick take: if you're looking to pinch pennies or you want to tailor-make your policy, especially if you're the adventurous type, Seven Corners is killer. But if your vibe is more like, just give me everything and make it stress-free, or maybe you're booking that luxury cruise, Travel Guard is probably where you want to land. Hope this helped you figure out the best travel insurance for your next big adventure. If it did, drop a comment or hit that follow so you never have to guess again before your trip.